Yes, welcome once again. Trade like skills, guys. So many people have been talking about market structure and how you should be trading, market structure, how you should be looking for the market ways, how the market is trending, how the market is moving. So today I'm going to explain you deeply what is done in the market, how the market moves really for those who are beginners and both the beginners and the advanced guys. So let's start with we very well know that the market moves in three types, in all three ways. We have the uptrend, the downtrend, and also the consolidation. So when we are talking about the uptrend, is when the market is moving high, just moving up. That's the bullish market. Mostly that's how we call it, like we traders. And when we talk about the downtrend, we are talking about the bearish market, which is moving down. So the market doesn't, of course, move into straight lines because the economy is ever changing and many things do change in just a little time. So that's why the market doesn't move in straight lines. So guys, what do we do in an uptrend and what do we do in a downtrend? So guys, we're looking at the market that is moving up and we're looking at the market that is moving down. So when we are in an uptrend, we only buy. We look for buys, buy entries. Buying entries are the ones that we are looking for. They are the ones that we are following, guys. So we don't look for sales. We only look for sales if we are seeing that there is a change of character or a change into direction, what we call uh, market structure market structure shift. So that's when we do change the direction and we do sell. If you are in an uptrend, we only buy. So if the market breaks a structure, let's say the market is coming from down after change of character, and then this was our first BOS, what we call a break of structure, which means the market is moving up to a higher high. And when it comes back to a higher low, we buy from here. We buy from here. That's when we buy. We don't buy from the up, we only buy from here. Yes, we buy from the lower side. So that's when we enter our buy. Our buy only, we enter our buy here, down. So guys, if the market is moving in an uptrend, the only thing we focus on is buying. You understand? Because the market won't move truly in only one direction, or in a straight line, because the market is always having a lot of things that are changing in the economy. So that's how the market works. So let's see. If you buy from here, from down, always just know that the market, when it is retracing back, then you buy from here, then you are surely that you're going to make money here. So you enter from here, and then you buy from here, and then you make your what? Your profits. So that's the only thing that you can do. That's the only thing that you can do. So when we see that the market is changing character, what indicates that the market is going to change the direction is only when the market changes the character. So look at this market, guys. The market has been moving up. Market has been moving up, broke this last structure, this last high, and then came back, broke this last low. You see? So that's a confirmed change of character. So when the market retraces back, then that's when we sell. We start selling. Start looking for sales now. Start looking for selling. Now we make money. So when you look at the downtrend, the market is breaking the lower structure mostly, and we are selling from the high. You understand that? So let's say the market has changed the character, and this is our first BOS. BOS is a break of structure, for those who don't understand it. Then we are entering a sell here. This is where we're going to sell from. So we sell from here, we target the low. So that's where we enter from. See, the market breaks the structure low, and you understand the market is moving where? Is moving downwards. It's now moving downwards, changing its direction, the down direction, the down way it is moving to. So this is a BOS to see. Break of structure will cause its movement and retracing back to something we call another block that will be lying here. So guys, this is what I call market structure here. Now we are going to look at the real chart. This is what we call textbook charts and lines that they show you, but the market doesn't really move like this. It is not perfect this way, so that's why we have to look straight into the real chart. So let's take a look here. This is GBP USD. This is British pound versus US dollar, and this is a 4 hours chart. Let's look at it and see how the market reacted. So here we're going to look at firstly the downtrend, and then we go to the uptrend, and we see where we enter the sells and the buys. You say that in the uptrend we only buy, and then the downtrend we only sell. Understand? So what happened here? We are looking at this structure here. Looking at this structure side, and it's moving down. I think you see how it's straightly moving down. It's moving down, showing that it's a downtrend, and it's leaving, it's breaking structures. It's breaking structures, BOSs. Look at this, guys. Look at this market. Let me show you now. Let me get where we start from. Yes. The market is always right. So look at this structure, guys. Market has been moving from down to the top, and now started changing the character, moving to downwards. Let me make it easy for you guys. Look at this. This is why I say that in the chart the market won't be perfect as you see it in the books. So it's different from the books. How you see it in the books is not how you see it in the charts, guys. So just believe me that this market only needs you to be understanding and more practice. That will make you get where you want in forex. So look at this. The market has been moving up, then made this last low, and this last high never broke this last high. See, it retraced back but never broke this last high. See, so what does this mean? That we are waiting for the market to show us the right direction that is taking, to confirm if it's going to change the character to the direction which is different from the direction it has been moving. That shows us that the market is really tired of moving to that one direction, and now we are looking for the sales. And where should we enter, guys? We are waiting for the market to show us the right side to enter from. So let's see what we needed to do what? To run the market. So why do we say that now it's changing character? Why? Because the market has been moving up and now it's changing the direction. Why? because this was a back retracement that was creating another low, hence that we expected it to move up and break this last high, but it never broke the last high. What happened? Instead, it came back and broke the last low, hence showing you that the direction is now changing and we are looking for the downtrend entries, which are what? Which are sales. So what do we look at? Now the market dropped down, you see, and after reaching here, what it did, it had to move up again. That was a small retracement, creating another low here. You see that? So this is a BOS. I said a BOS is a break of structure. BOS is a break of structure. Now, market consolidated here, hence moved up again. So what are we looking at? Now, if we could be looking at the order blocks, this would be the valid order block for those who know the order blocks for entry, and also this one because it is more powerful here, and that's where we could be entering. But instead the market, because I say that in the market it won't be perfect as you see in the book charts, in those textbooks that they give you, they sell to you guys. So what happens? The market reached here, instead it fought to retrace back. But if it's in 4 hours time frame, that means that here inside there was a change of character in a smaller time frame, either 15 minutes or 30 minutes or 5 minutes time frame. So when the market retraces back here, you only look for the sales where here. So you look for a change of character here, and then you enter a sell targeting the last what? The last low. That's what we do here. We only sell. So what happened here? It again broke, creating a BOS. See, market broke again, creating a BOS, then retraced back. That's how the market moves, bro. That's how the market goes. Then after reaching here again, after retracing back, this was another entry. It was another entry. So which created also another what? Another BOS. It's a complete downtrend, guys. It's a complete downtrend. So after creating a BOS here, you should be lining these lines well. After creating a BOS here, let's say this is a BOS. Now left another block here, and this other block, that's where we target our sell again. Let's see. Sorry. Yes, that's where we look for our sell. See, this was another block. So when the market reached here, we only look for sells. If someone entered another sell here, we target the last low, which is this one. The last low was this. This was the last low, but it wasn't the real BOS because it was taken out by a wick. And for this we call it liquidity sweep. It was taking out those people's what? Those people's stop losses that had bought from here, targeting this last high. See? So some people enter buys when the market is trending down, when it is in a downtrend, which is not right, guys. You shouldn't be buying in a downtrend. Only look for sales, guys. If you're not an expert, if you have not been trading before, please maintain that. So you see, look for this. And now if you had put your take profit here, you would have hit your take profit, and then you go out of the market. So where is the right break of structure? Another right break of structure was from this week, the last week that we had, because the week also had passed through and then dropped down here. This is a full BOS. See, this is a BOS, a true BOS. See, this was a break of structure, guys. Now looking at looking at this last order block that was created after a retracement. So Here are three order blocks. There is this one, there is this one, and there is this one. You understand? So if I'm to talk about the order blocks, that will be another class, that will be another lesson that I'll be giving you guys. And if you want to get to know all about these things, you have to join our classes, guys. Our classes are so good and not so expensive. They're so cheap. And with our courses, we really teach you. We give you live classes. We don't just sell you a course of books and PDFs and videos, guys. Give you classes. We have live classes every evening, and you can understand about these things, guys. So what happened here? This was another block that was active. Why? Here was what we call liquidity. Many people had left stop losses by entering sells here, which made it break here, but the market had to retrace back, take all this liquidity, and then move back down. So this is what happened. This was the only valid order block that was left to be touched. So that's another thing that you have to learn, guys, about the liquidity, the right order blocks, and whatsoever. So now we are just on market structure. Now the market again broke down, creating a break of structure again here down, hence dropped for good. You see, that's what we call a downtrend. That's what we call a downtrend. See how the market moves down? Look at the market breaking, retracing. You see, even here was a break of structure. This is another active break of structure that was here. Then the market retraced into this other block. Into this other block, sorry. That's the last candle. Yes, into this other block. Then the market dropped down again, creating another what? Another break of structure. See what I'm talking about, guys? See? So if you are only uniformly doing what I'm talking about, you're only looking for the sales, then you're going to be making money. Lots of money, guys. In a downtrend, you can be making lots of money. You see, this is a 4-hour time frame. So the market to come from here up to here, it's very, very long. It's a long journey, guys. To come from here up, down here, it's a long journey, guys. So that's what I've been talking about. Now let's shift to an uptrend, and we see how an uptrend works and how it looks like. So we see that the market has been moving down uniformly, creating this higher, lower highs and lower lows. So this was our last lower low. This was our last lower high. So what happens when the market reached here? It moved and broke this. You see this? The market broke this. As we saw the other side, change of character. Change of character was created. See? Now the market has created a change of character here. Very, very big, significant change of character. What happened? The market retraced back again. Market retraced back down to fill the orders that have been here, that have been left here. So here there is another order block that has been left that would be touched, and that's what the market had to do, guys. So market doesn't forget that, So because we are now changing into an uptrend, and we have seen that there is a good change of character, good change of character there up, and so that there is a good change of character there up, so we are looking for only buys. We are looking for only buys, guys. So now the market has to buy. It has changed the character. Of course, now it's moving up. It left another high here. So we have to target the last high. So the entry should be here. And we are looking for an entry, exact entry that will give us confirmation that we have to enter a buy, looking for the last high. So now you see what happened here. Inside this structure, still the market moved. I think you see this. after touching this last on this order block, the market did what? The market moved and changed character again. This is another internal change of character that was made in a 4 hours time frame. So this is fine for us. This is fine for us because we are only looking for this. Now, in a 4 hours time frame, it created a change of character, which made it come back and retrace back to this order block. And now this was the right time to enter the buy. See, this was our entry that we had to take, targeting where? Targeting the last high. See, this last high. See, now if someone entered that, would have made a lot of money, guys. Someone entered that would have made a lot of money, way big money, guys, way big money, because that was another break of structure. So if you target here up, let's see, someone would have entered from here, the stop loss near there, and then targeted last high. You see how money is made, guys. So forex needs you guys to sit, learn, get a mentor that is going to mentor you, get someone who is going to teach you the right things to do. So let me show you this, guys. If you want to get to us, you can write to me on Telegram at Skills Effect, and this WhatsApp number, use this WhatsApp number to text me. Tell me you want to learn, then I tell you the prices, and then you start learning, guys. Start learning. So let's continue, guys. Now when the market broke here again, I think you see that it created it left another block here down, and we are only looking for buys because we are now in an uptrend. So this is another block that has not been filled, that has not been mitigated, and we are waiting for it. So when the market came back here, how do we do again? We only enter buy, targeting the what? The last high here. So this last high is what we target again, or take profit. See, this last high is what we look at again, or take profit, and then boom, make money again. You see, you enter here, buy, boom, money is made. So that's how we trade. We're only looking for buy in an uptrend. We're only looking for buy in a what? In an uptrend. So the market repeats itself each and every time, guys. Each and every time. You see, look at this. Create this W. This is an internal change of character. Came back to retrace, then both. See? So what happened the other side is what happens here. Ask me what? Now look at this. Market is now consolidating here. No direction yet. You see, this is what I call consolidation. So if you are not good at trading and you don't know anything yet, don't trade the market when it's just in consolidation. Consolidation is when the market doesn't have any direction, comes back to the same direction, doesn't show you that it's an uptrend or downtrend. But since we have been in an uptrend, we're only looking for buys here because some are significant. Because you see, this was a break of structure here, significant break of structure. Then the market broke from here down. Because for this, we would have looked for this and entered a buy. Then the market broke structure, then come back to this order block. You see this order block here, boom, hold, break of structure. You see, that's what we're only looking at. Now look at this. The market wanted to show that it's going to break down, but instead it did not. That's where the market will lie to you and you just fall into its lies and you lose your money. See, look at this consolidation. This is what I talked about, consolidation, until the market shows you the right direction. Now look, the market had to break the last low here, creating a change of character, and now we have to look for sales. But you see what happens? The market will lie to you every time if you haven't learned well what the market does. Yes. So what I can tell you is that you should only look for buys in an uptrend, look for sales in a downtrend. If you haven't learned this, come on, join our classes and we teach you how to trade these consolidating areas and how to look for entries in smaller time frames, like on 15 minutes. Yes, you can get this, guys. You can get this. It's not that hard as long as you have someone who is showing you the right way, the right path to pass through and to learn and get to know what to do every time you want to get to something. See? So guys, this is our WhatsApp number, this is our Telegram. Our Telegram channel is free, but it's private. Not everyone gets to our Telegram, guys. Yes, we need only those people who really want to get to somewhere. Yes, who really want to get to somewhere, who really want to learn trading, guys. So that's it for today, guys. Let's meet in another video that I'll be uploading soon. So let's hope for the best, guys. And I know that you're going to make it. If you want to learn, then join us. Our prices are quite fine for the starters and those ones who really don't have capital to start. But you know, the best thing that we have to learn, we have to get to know is knowledge first. That's the first thing that we have to get, guys. Okay, let's see you guys in the next videos. Thank you.